I hate to be the guy that tells y'all, but Fish and Game are on their way for you. Because you're on the sandbar here. It's protected because of the loons. You're still not allowed to be out there. The game wardens are on their way. Alright, man. Don't matter. You're still not supposed to be fucking with the loons. Yeah, because you're here, dipshit. She was here yesterday, dude. Yes, she was. I was literally here. Watch what? You break federal laws? It's all on camera. Okay, you do it. It's on camera, pal. Alright, man. I'll give this to Fish and Game, and I'll let them know that they're hired dickhead. I'm not a liberal dickhead. Stop assuming shit because you're a bitch and you don't concern about wildlife. Your fat ass wife ain't no better. Get out of the water, whale.